Hey everyone, it's Ken here and welcome back to another video. In this one, I'm going to be talking about how to master Facebook ads in 30 days. Now, the reason why I'm coming up with this topic at this particular point in time is because, first of all, this is the beginning of a new month, and this is also the period when some people would be getting back into their ads manager. Being the start of the Ember period, a lot of people are going to be buying stuff online, and a lot of people are also going to be trying to sell things online as well. So some people are going to be spending really heavy when it comes to Facebook ads in order to get massive sales for their business. So this video is coming out at a very timely period because it's really going to help those who are ready to start spending big money on Facebook ads. Because trust me, there are a lot of people that are getting ready to spend on Facebook ads right now. And if you are able to master how to run ads, I mean, even if you're not able to do it this month, but if you're able to do it even before the end of the year, you can make some very good money for yourself selling any kind of products that you're selling or even helping people run adverts. All right. So, the first question you might be asking is that is it even possible to master Facebook ads in 30 days? And the answer is yes, it is actually possible. You just have to practice and put in the work, right? I've personally coached people that have been able to get good results, massive results with their Facebook ads in a very short amount of time, but it was not by sleeping, right? These people were really hard workers and I had to push them, right? I had to push them to actually get the kind of results that they got. So, yes, it is actually possible to become a master at ads, but then you have to actually practice and put in the work. Now, mastering ads is not only just about knowing how to run adverts, right? A lot of people can actually do that. They can actually log into the ads manager, they can set up their ads, they can, add their payment method and do all the basic stuff. But mastering ads is also about knowing what to do when your ads are not working. And this is also a very important part because some people they're actually very good at knowing what to do to make their adverts work, right? If they just enter the ad manager, they have pretty much a good idea of what to do or what to press in order to make their advert start running. But what happens when the advert stop working? They don't know what to do again. They are lost, and this puts them at a disadvantage because they only know one side of the story, which is being able to run ads. But when the ads are not working, they don't know what to do. So mastering ads is not just about knowing how to run ads, it's also about knowing what to do when your ads aren't working. So let us get into the methods that you're going to use to make this possible. The first one is to start with the reason why you want to become a master at Facebook ads. Why exactly do you want to become a master at Facebook ads? Do you want to become a master at Facebook ads just because you want to learn how to sell products and services? Do you want to become a master because you want to learn how to offer it as a service to other people? Or do you just have an ulterior reason why you actually want to learn this, right? You have to have a good reason in mind why you want to become a master at Facebook ads, because once you have a good reason in mind, it makes your whole journey clearer, it makes your journey easier, and then it gives you something to actually work towards. There's no point working towards a goal if you don't know why exactly you want to do it. So if you already have a goal in mind and it's strong enough, right? It's something that you are really pumped up about and something that you are serious about, you would persevere with it till the end. When I got started with Facebook ads, the part of the reason why I first started Facebook ads was because back then I was in this network marketing thing, and then many people were not doing Facebook ads that time, and so I saw a massive opportunity to actually leverage on the power of Facebook ads in order to get sales, and it worked for me. And then as time went on, I noticed that a lot of people were having issues with knowing how to run adverts, and that was how I even started talking about adverts and helping people to actually understand what Facebook ads was about, right? So those were my reasons, and they really, really helped me when it came to running ads. So start with the reason why you want to become a master at Facebook ads. Now, the second thing is that you need something to actually promote. You need a product or a service to promote. Obviously, if you're not promoting something, right, how are you going to actually master ads? Because you don't have anything to practice on. So you need something to promote, whether your own product or a service that you offer, or somebody else's product or service, or an affiliate offer, literally anything that you can afford to get your hands on and sign up, right? You need something to promote at this point because you need something where or something that you'll be testing your hands on. Okay. Now, the third thing is you need a crazy offer. Okay. The crazy offer is something that is going to validate whatever you're doing with Facebook ads, because trust me, these days a lot of people are saying Facebook ads don't work, Facebook ads don't work, but trust me, it's working for some other people. And the difference between the people that is working for and people that is not working for is that the people who have Facebook ads working for them are basically using a crazy offer, right? They are using an offer that is so crazy that the only kind of person that can say no to the offer is literally only people that don't have money or just a mad person, right? Those are the only type of people that can say no to that kind of crazy offer, because the offer is just so good, right? So you need a crazy offer. If you have a product to promote, once you have the product, that's good and fine. Now you need a crazy offer. I'll probably do another video on the kind of offers that you can create. You don't just have to do only a discount offer. There are different type of offers that you can create in order to get massive results with Facebook ads. But trust me, if you want to become a master at Facebook ads, you need to have a crazy offer when selling your product. That's step number 3. Now, step number 4 is you need some funds to get started with testing and running ads. Gone are the days when you just have only a $5 budget and you think that that's the only thing that you need to actually learn how to run adverts. No, you actually need some money. And this is an impression I want to try and correct among a lot of newbies or people that are getting started, because people have gotten this idea that, oh, you don't have any money, you're completely broke. Facebook ads is something that you do to get yourself out of poverty. No, it is not the idea, right? This is something that you actually do when you are ready to scale. Probably you've been doing organic before, or you just have money and you want to fast track the process. That is when you come into Facebook ads. So don't come into ads when you don't have any money at all. Like, you're literally at ground zero, you are completely broke, you don't have any money, and you know that, if this adverts thing doesn't work for you, like, you're not going to have money to feed at all. That's not the mindset you want to use if you want to become a master at Facebook ads. You obviously need some funds to get started with testing and running ads. When I first started, I had a bunch of money already. I think I had up to like $1,000. That's at the current or at the exchange rate back then, right? I had up to that amount, which I was actually willing to invest in testing and running adverts. And so I had some money to actually fall back on. So please, if you don't have money to fall back on, go do some other thing, get some funds, and then come back. Facebook ads is not running away. Once you come in to the platform, you can always get started with it. All right. Now, the next thing is that you need some training on the best methods to get results. Contrary to popular opinion, there are different ways that you can actually run an advert that gets results, right? There are different methods, there's retargeting, lookalike audiences, custom audiences, different things that you can actually do. But if you are not conversant with all these methods, you might not know what method to use for a particular situation. And so you need some training on different methods to actually get results. Thankfully, I've done some videos on the channel here about Facebook ads, which you can go ahead and watch. They give you basically an overview, a bird's eye view, a general idea of how to actually run adverts. I also have paid courses that you can take if you want to get more advanced, but essentially you need some form of training on the best methods in order to get results. This training doesn't just apply to Facebook ads alone. It also applies to, the kind of funnels that you're using to drive traffic, all those kind of stuff. So once you have that kind of training, it's going to help you fast track your learning process towards Facebook ads mastery. And then last but not the least, you need a support group where you can easily and quickly get answers to your questions. So the thing with Facebook ads is that things are always changing with it, right? If you come into the ads manager today, you might not recognize it if you've been away for up to a year or 2 years. That's because they are always changing things inside there. And chances are you're going to have 1 or 2 questions when it comes to actually running ads that you might need answered immediately. Probably something with the advert that you're creating, or your creative, or your payment, or something like that. And so if you don't have this support group where you can easily and quickly get answers to your questions, it will slow down your learning process drastically. So you need to have a support group where you can easily and quickly get answers. And thankfully also, I have a support group for people who are in my paid program. There's a support group where you can always ask questions, and then there are people in there that will go ahead to actually help you with answers. Or even if they don't have the answers, I'll probably answer or give you a resource where you can get the answer from. All right. So these are the actual steps that you can take to master Facebook ads in 30 days. Honestly, I believe it is possible for anybody who puts their mind to it. Like I said at the beginning, all it takes is just a good level of practice, a good level of consistency. You just need to want it bad enough. And then obviously you need to have some funds to spend on running ads. All right. If this video has helped you in any way at all, let me know by dropping the comments below. Also, make sure to share the video, and if you haven't already, do make sure to subscribe and like the video so you don't miss out once I upload the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.